To make an analog pattern design for print and web is actually not that hard. I'm going to show you a quick overview here. You can use any kind of technique. In this case, I used aquarella. 5 minutes, very quick but charming style. And I took a picture because I don't have a scanner in house and put it in Photoshop. And then I choose this select item, select all my brushes, and yeah, improve a little bit because here you can see it's a little bit blurry. Check if the selection tool took everything correct, and if you selected everything, you just put it in another file like this. Make it a bit smaller and take out all unnecessary items, because afterwards you're gonna puzzle around and copy paste this item and put them together. And like this technique I used for the picture on my website as well, but this is not a repeat print. This is just, you can use it like that. Here, fill the gaps, copy paste a little bit of your brushes, and there you have it. If you want to do repeat print, you have to put everything in square. So put the item that you want to show in a square and delete everything around it. I'm going to link the detailed description here as well later. So you have what you want to show here. And then there's this, also make sure that you have as many items as possible. Gives you more flexibility. Then save it as PSD file, and remember, open a new one in Illustrator, also 6 inches per 6 inch, and then you open your PSD file in and put all the layers, import all the layers to Illustrator. You can see the layers here. Again, use as many layers as possible, give you more flexibility. You can see that one item is like a little bit too big. You should delete the gaps that are over here, so you can crop it a little bit. And if everything is correctly in this square, then you can use the pattern tool. Select everything, use the pattern tool, and then you have it. It's very quick and easy in the new Illustrator version. Afterwards, you can still move the tools, like the items, a little bit around to avoid those gaps that you can see here, and then you make a new pattern, and then you have it. As you can see, there are still gaps in the pattern, but if you have enough small elements, you can still pull them around like a puzzle. And in the end, you have a beautiful pattern which you can print on paper, textile, whatever. And to have a detailed description tutorial how you can do those infinited patterns, I am going to write a link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.